Hello everybody. We're still at Seed to Supper, but we are in the final week, so that's kind of exciting. And I just want to talk to you a little bit more about watering. It is an incredibly important part of all this. So when we're watering seedlings, or even our seeds have just been put in the ground, it's not like watering an adult. Obviously, you're not going to want a setting like this. It's not going to work out real well for you. That's a jet setting, and you're probably not going to want your full setting either. All that soil in there, just going to come up. So my point here, unless you can keep it real low, even your mist setting on here is going to be really hard. When we talk about other options, again, probably not your best option when we're talking about seeds and seedlings. Whoops. You know, we probably washed our seed right out of there. And so this is just putting down too much water. This is probably a better option, but maybe still not perfect for seedlings. Let me pick another victim here. It comes out kind of hard and fast. So, and it took me a couple years before I found this one, much smaller nozzle on this one than the other ones, and you'll see a big difference in when we pour. It's much more gentle. It's not moving as much soil. This is probably a pretty good option. So consider these when you're looking at options for watering. Thank you, and we're almost there, everybody. Hang on tight.